Oh my goodness. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a tree that was magical and grew apples by itself and had a necktie on that it knew how to tie. And of course he needed a comb to comb his leaves so that he would be the handsomest tree in the forest. Your turn.
Oh, yay. Once upon a time, there was a tree that grew apples by itself, and then the necktie tucked it by itself.
And what else?
And the comb to the tree to look very handsome. And then the saxophone.
Use your best speech.
Yeah.
Your silly speech. Okay, do you know what that word is?
Yeah, and then the saxophone played it by itself.
And the saxophone could play by itself too? Last card for this turn. Once upon a time, there was a magical tree that grew apples by itself and wore a beautiful necktie and combed his handsome hair and played the magic saxophone that could play notes by itself. And they had a big audience. All of the forest people came to listen to the saxophone and watch the handsome magical tree. And for refreshments, they served milk. The end.
Okay, we pull it from the top. So we do another pile.
Okay, we're going to do another round.
Yeah, but we do another pile. So
with brand new cards.
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. So your
we
turn.
put it here.
When we're done. Okay, so that's the discard. Oh my word, we're going to have 10 cards. Can you pull 10 cards out for us?
Actually, we pull it from the top here.
Oh, and just until we get to 10?
Okay, once upon a time, there was a sailboat, and StoryBook was on it.
Who is StoryBook?
He's from England and Pokemon.
Oh my. So there's a Pokemon on there? Once upon a time, there's a sailboat, and the Pokemon StoryBook was on the sailboat. One day, there was a horrible snowstorm.
Once upon a time, there was a sailboat, StoryBook was on it, and then there was a terrible snowstorm, and then a star came and made everything perfect again.
I love that. Once upon a time, there was a sailboat, and StoryBook was on the sailboat, and they got caught in a terrible snowstorm. But suddenly a star appeared and made everything perfect again. And the light from the star glimmered on something shiny. It was a magic lamp.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We're not done yet. We're halfway done.
Oh, yeah. Once upon a time, there was a sailboat, and StoryBook was on it. And then there was a terrible snowstorm. And then there was a star that made everything perfect again. And it glimmered and was a magic lamp. And then there was a dragon, and he bought the sailboat. And good they land on the Hawaii.
Oh my goodness, this story is getting crazy.
Good they landed in Hawaii.
Okay. Oh my. Once upon a time, there was a sailboat, and StoryBook was on the sailboat that got caught in a horrible snowstorm. But a bright star came out and made everything perfect again, and shined and made glimmer a magic lamp. Only there was a problem. There was a dragon with a magic lamp, and he breathed fire and turned everything into a crisp. But the boat was lucky because it went to Hawaii. And when StoryBook got off the boat, he was met by a friendly robot.
Oh, John. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a sailboat and Scorbunny was on it, and then there was a terrible snowstorm, and then the storm made perfect again. Then there was a magic lamp that was a dragon on it, and then the sailboat was fire on it, and then he met a robot in Hawaii, and then there was a man that played the guitar so good.
Oh my. Okay.
That's so good.
Once upon a time, there was a sailboat, and on that sailboat was Scorbunny the Pokemon. And Scorbunny and his sailboat got caught in a terrible snowstorm. But suddenly, a bright star appeared and made everything perfect again and glimmered on a magic lamp, which had a dragon on it, and the dragon breathed fire, and the boat was burned up. But it went to Hawaii, where they were met by a friendly robot and a man who played a guitar. But this man didn't play a guitar with his fingers or with a pick. He played a guitar with a feather. All right, Trevor.
Huh? Last time?
Nope, your turn.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah.
2 more.
Oh, yeah.
Is this story getting a little long for you?
Yeah. Most of my time it was a sailboat and Scorbunny was on it, and then there was snow, got a blizzard, and then a storm made perfect again, and then there was a magic lamp, and the dragon was sitting on it, and then he burnt the sailboat, and then they went to Hawaii, then he met a robot, and then suddenly a man played the guitar so good, but he didn't use his hands. He played a feather, and then there was glasses on him, but it's not kind of glasses. It was like a big circle around his cheek.
Oh my.
Remember those things though.
Like a monocle?
Uh-huh.
Once upon a time, this is our last card, and it's the end. Once upon a time, there was a sailboat, and Scorbunny lived on the sailboat, but the sailboat was caught in a terrible snowstorm. But suddenly a bright star appeared and made everything perfect again, and the light from the star glimmered on a magic lamp. But inside the magic lamp lived a dragon who burned everything to a crisp. Fortunately, the boat made it to Hawaii, where they were met by a friendly robot and a man who played the guitar with a feather and had glasses, but it wasn't regular glasses. It was a monocle on his cheek. And they all looked on the ground and saw a huge footprint. And that is the mystery. The end.
Okay.